Well, hello again, everybody. Welcome to the Raspberry Pi for the older generation and another video. Hope this video finds you all well. Okay, today we're going to carry on with our music mixer or a music player. So let's just remind ourselves of the schematic. Hopefully you've all got this built by now. Okay, what I did have to do, I had to extend this rail because I hadn't extended it. So that's the only changes I've made, but everything else is working. Or seems like it's working. We've got the light on. Right. So should we get into it? Shall we get into it? Right. Now, what I suggest we do before we do anything, let's open our terminal and let's update our operating system. So it's sudo apt-get space update, enter. Now I did mine yesterday, but it looks like there is an update. Okay, and next thing we need to do is sudo space apt-get space upgrade. All right, takes a little while. Not too long. Okay, you can see mine's already up to date. All right. So yeah, just quickly update your operating system, and let's open Thony. Right, file, open. Right, I'm still where I want to be. Open our template. Okay, that. All right. Yeah, all done that. So file, save as. I'm going to call mine MusicPlayer.py. So MusicPlayer.py for the Python extension, and I'm going to click OK. And of course, it changes their name. All right. So far, so good. Right. Now, just take that down one. Now, we have to import a class, and it's called Pygame. Now, Pygame does come already pre-installed. All right, after that upgrade, so you'll already have it. So from Pygame, all small case, import mixer. Okay, all small case. Import our GPIO pins and import time. Now we need some of our attributes because we've got 3 pins. Okay, I'm going to call mine B button. Actually, no, I'm going to put a capital B on that. BTNPIN 1 equals, and we got that on 18. All right, we got that on pin 18. Then we got pin 2 space equals 17. And you got button pin 3 space equals, and that's on 27. Enter. And then we got volume space equals 0.7. All right. So that's that one, and then space status space equals false with a capital F. All right. Up pressed, capital P on the pressed. Okay. Up pressed equals space false again. Enter. And then we've got down pressed, space equals false. And then the next one we got is play pressed equals false. Capital F on the false. Okay. Now, once we've done that, we come to our setup. All right. Colons, auto indent, mixer, dot init for initialize, brackets on, brackets off. Then it's our GPIO.set mode, but this is BCM because we're using the GPIO extender. Enter. Now we've got to set up our button pins. So it's GPIO dot setup. Yeah. Brackets on. Button pin 1, comma. It's a GPIO, yeah. Dot in capitals. Brackets, and then we've got to put in our pull up down. All right, so it's GPIO dot PUD capitals underscore up, brackets off. All right, so that's what we need. Now we need that for all 3 pins. So the easiest way to do that is copy. You can press Control C, space, Control V, enter, Control V. There's 2 enters. And now all we need to do is change the pin number. Right. So we come here, change that to 2, change that to 3. All right. So far, so good. Now, let's come to the end. Let me get this mouse out of the way. Let's come to the end. All right. Enter. Enter. Backspace. We want to be right at the beginnings. Let's put some spaces in here. So you can see right back at the beginning. So we want a define DEF space clip. Right. Brackets on, X, comma, min, brackets max. Okay. Brackets off, colons, enter, auto indent. Right. If X is less than, yeah, space min, colons, enter, auto indent, return min. Space min. Enter, backspace. Sorry, it's already done it for us. Else if X is greater than max, okay, is greater than max, colons, enter, return max. enter, return X, enter. Put another little space in there. We go back to the beginning, exactly what we wanted. Then define, play, brackets on, pin, brackets off, colons, enter, auto indent, global, play pressed, capital P on the pressed, enter, play pressed, capital P again, equals true. Okay, enter, backspace. Should put some more spaces in there so we can see where we're at. Okay, line 33, def, for define, VOL, down, capital D on the down, brackets on, pin, brackets off, colons, return, global, excuse me, global, space, down, pressed, capital P on the pressed, okay, enter, down pressed, P, space, equals space, true, capital T on the true. Okay, that's our volume down. Enter, return, sorry, backspace, another define, vol, up, capital U on the up, brackets on, pin, brackets off, colons, auto indent, global, unpressed. Okay, so it's global, capital P on the pressed. Okay, return, unpressed, up, pressed. All right, that's what I'm glad I saw that. It's not a mistake. Up pressed. Okay, up pressed. So up pressed, capital P on the pressed, equals true. So basically, we're what we're doing, we're programming all the buttons to do the different jobs we want. We want them to do different functions. All right. So enter, backspace. Define, main, brackets on, brackets off, colons, enter. Global, space volume, brackets status. Right. Enter. So we put some lines in. The next is global, down pressed, capital P on the pressed, comma, space, up pressed, again a capital on the pressed, play pressed. All right. Now, mixer dot music this line of code is telling us to load what music we want to play. Okay, dot load brackets on quotes, right, / home / now it depends where you've downloaded your whatever kit you're using, where you've downloaded the files for that kit. All right, I'm using this Dumbfounder kit, and if you haven't changed anything, it will be pi, right, which is your files directory. But mine, because I changed it, is fetch. Okay, / RAFIL -kit. All right, that's what I downloaded because I've got the Raphael, the Dumbfounder Raphael kit. You could have a Freenode kit, you could have an Elegoo kit. There's lots of kits out there, but wherever you have put them files, that's the file you have to refer to. Okay, / music / my _ music, and mine's an MP3, and quotes off. All right, and brackets off. Okay, now I think I showed you how to look in the terminal and using the Linux commands. If you've got any problems finding it, please drop me a comment and I'll do a quick reminder. All right, so enter, and it's mixer dot music dot set _ volume. Okay, brackets on, volume, brackets off. Right, so that's line 45, and enter. Excuse me. I think I'm getting a little bit of a cold actually. Mixer dot music dot play, brackets on, brackets off. All right, so and it's enter, GPIO capitals dot add _ event _ detect. All right, this is all small case, and then it's brackets on, and it's button pin, capital B, capital P on the button pin 1, comma, space, GPIO dot falling, all capitals, comma, space, call back equals play, brackets off. All right, so GPIO dot add _ event _ detect, brackets on, button pin 1, space, GPIO dot falling, capitals, comma, callback equals play. Right, what we're going to do, we're going to copy that line, Control C. All right. Control V. Control V. And a few things we need to change. So let's come back to, obviously this is going to be button pin 2. And come along. And we're going to change play to VOL capitals down. DOWN. Right, let's move this out. And we'll come down and change that, and that's volume up. Capital U on the up. All right, volume up. Right, let me come down here. Let's do a few spaces. Oh, actually, we need to come bring all this back up. Okay, and while true is always true. Let me just check this. 51. Okay, def loop true. Hang on, let me main. Okay, I've just seen. Take this line out. Okay, well, true is always true. Move this out of the way. If space up pressed, capital P on the pressed, colons return auto indent, volume space equals space volume. Right, this is so we can turn up and down the volume, this code, plus 0.1. Right, up pressed, capital P, and that equals false, capital F on the false. All right. Enter, backspace. If down pressed, capital P, colons, if down pressed, colons, enter. Volume equals volume. Minus 0.1. So that we can use that button for our volume up and down, up and down. All right. Enter. Down pressed, capital P, equals false again. All right. Return, backspace. So we're under the if, because we've got another if statement. If play pressed, capital P, if play pressed, colons, auto indent, if status, colons, enter. Mixer, dot music dot pause, brackets on, brackets off, enter, status equals not status. Okay, enter, backspace, and now we've got a else statement, colons, enter, auto indent. We just put a few spaces in there so you can see. Right. Oh dear. Else mixer dot music dot unpause. Okay, unpause, brackets on, brackets off, enter, and that's status equals not status again. Right, status equals not status again, enter, backspace, under the else, play pressed, let me get rid of this again, capital P equals false, enter, and then in here we're going to put a time dot sleep. For 0.5 seconds, half a second. All right. A couple more spaces in there, just to help us out. Okay. So after the time dot sleep, backspace to under the if. To under the if. Okay. Volume equals clip, right, brackets on, volume, comma, 0.2.1, brackets off. Next, mixer, all small case, dot music, dot set, underscore, volume, brackets on, volume. All right, brackets off. And then in here, time dot sleep. Brackets on, 0.1. Brackets off. Rightio. Then we've got our destroy. So a few things we need to clean up. So we got the GPIO.cleanup, clear all the pins, enter, and then it's mixer dot music dot stop, brackets on, brackets off, no argument. And then we come to our music.stop. I just want to put a little space in there. All right, release resources. Okay, and then let's make sure we got everything there. Main keyboard interrupt. Right. All right, so there we go. We've imported the mixer from Pygame. All right, we've initialized our method for the buttons. So we defined the button ports, the 3 buttons on the initial volume. All of our up pressed, down pressed, play pressed, all interrupt flags, corresponding tasks will be executed when they are pressed, when they are true. All right. The clip. Let's come down to the clip. All right. Used for the upper and lower limits of the input parameters. The clip. All right. And then so we set up all the buttons. We've set our play, our down and up for volume. All right, then we've got our main code. All right. Right. I'm going to save that. Now you might not be able to hear this on my microphone if it works. If it works. But let's press the play button. Line 66. Line 66. Let's just check it. Volume equals clip. Let me just check it. Line 66. Okay, line 66. Volume equals, that last, so it's volume, right, comma, 0.2, and that's a comma 1. All right, a comma 1, not a 0.1. Save it. Control C this, let's get out of it, and let's start again. 79. Line 79. Setup. Line 79. Try. Okay. That shouldn't be loop. Let's click on here. That should be main. Okay. Main. Try main, keyboard interrupt. All right then. Hopefully that's it for my mistakes, and let's run it. And there we go. I'll try and put my microphone so you can hear it. Hopefully you can hear it. All right. Hopefully you can hear it, but mine's working. It's all playing. Right. All playing. Now, if I press the red button, let me see if you can hear it. This should stop the music. Or one of them. No, it's saying we got a problem in line 49. Let me have a look at that. Let's stop it. Line 49. Let's have a look. That's probably why it's not working. Line 49. Let me have a look. Okay. GPIO dot add underscore event detect. I didn't change the pin number, did I? To 3. Right, to 3. See that mistake? I suppose you all saw it before me. 1, 2, 3. I'm just checking. Right, let's play it again. Program is starting. Okay. Can you hear it? What I do, I press that's the stop button, the middle button, the red button. I'm going to press it again. And then we've got our volume button. Here it go down. Now here it come up. Turn it off. Turn it on. Right, okay, let's turn it off. Got it working. We only had a few little mistakes. All working. All working. Yeah? Your music player is all working. Well, that was a great little project. I enjoyed that. Really enjoyed it. Yeah. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give us a thumbs up. Yeah. Please comment below and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. All right then. Bye bye.